Hello, lovely people. Welcome once again to our channel. Today we are coming to you live from Drobo in the Jaman South Municipality of the Bono Region of Ghana. Drobo shares borders with Berekum West District to the southeast, Jaman North District to the north, Dormaa Municipal to the west, and La Côte, that's Ivory Coast, in the east. The people of Drobo are predominantly farmers and they do a lot of cashew. This is the Drobo Municipal Assembly that you are seeing in your shots right now. This can be found on your left on the Drobo Sampa Main Road. You are seeing the Drobo LORRY Station. Now you are seeing the St. Mary's Hospital in Drobo, which takes care of the people of Drobo and Japekrom. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, I will entreat you to click on the red subscribe button to become part of this amazing family. The Drobo Senior High School, one of the most popular senior high schools in the Bono Region of Ghana and for that matter Ghana, and this has produced a lot of great men in the country. Please, I will entreat you to always do well to share and like and comment on our videos. Give us your views on our videos and what you think we should do right.